Winter timing, the Arctic front arrives overnight tonight around midnight. We will have a powerful northwesterly wind that ushers in the Arctic air, brings us our brutal wind chills, and it's the first surge of several Arctic surges through next week where temperatures will continue to drop. Slick spots are expected tomorrow morning with winter weather. Could have a flash freeze scenario like we had Tuesday morning. Warm ground temperatures from today. You have light snow falling on it. It melts, but with the stronger winds, it freezes. So watch out for patchy, icy spots, as well as some snow accumulating on the roads. Sunday and Monday, higher snowfall totals expected. Wind chills by then 10 to 20 below zero. So prepare for the dangerous cold. Start dripping your faucets tonight, and you may need to do that all the way until Wednesday morning. A look outside, sunshine. The camera's shaking a little bit, but the winds aren't too bad. Out of the southeast at 10 miles per hour, giving us a slight wind chill factor of 26. That seems balmy compared to what's ahead. Even tomorrow morning, wind advisory issued from 9 p.m. tonight until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Essentially, the winds are going to ramp up right behind the front. Not as strong as what we had Tuesday morning, but still sustained at 25, gusts to 45 miles per hour. This is the culprit, this storm system out to the west, and see all the winter storm warnings to the northwest. That is for our Sunday, Monday system. Once this makes landfall, approaches land, the models will come into consensus, hopefully, a better idea of the snowfall totals. But I do think it will be higher than what we're going to see tonight. We'll have travel impacts, and of course, it'll be colder as well. Here's why all that cold air that's been locked up in Canada is about to plunge south. This is Siberian air, 45 degrees below zero in Yellowknife, Canada. We're not going to get that cold, but that is the core of the cold air. And as it plunges south, it has momentum with it, and we'll see several different surges. The first one happening tonight. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s right now, 41 for Ada. Today's going to be beautiful. If you are paying attention to the weather, you'd think we have some nice spring weather ahead. Not the case. A good day to prepare, though, for the cold weather ahead. Winds out of the south at 10 miles per hour, and it will be picking up to a breeze later today. Mostly sunny skies, clouds increasing late, a little bit of rain out to the west. This is the latest computer model run. Snow beginning as early as 6 p.m. in the Panhandle. The Arctic front doesn't move through until about midnight. A little bit of rain switching over to a light winter mix, so some freezing drizzle, maybe a tiny bit of sleet, but mainly switching over to snow across northwestern Oklahoma. This band will move into the metro, I think, about 2 to 5 a.m. It looks like the heavier snow may happen a little bit farther north. A lot of this will be a light, fluffy snow. It's going to be blowing around quite a bit. Pushes into eastern Oklahoma. It is out of the state around sunrise, and then we'll have clearing skies, but it's going to be cold and windy. Here's the latest snow total forecast. So the higher totals have shifted north. I still think we could have for the metro about a ½ an inch to 2 inches of snow or greater. Now remember, this may not be taking into account the snowfall ratio, so you get more bang for your buck when it's colder air, and we're going to see that on Sunday and Monday as well. Higher totals from Ponca City to Enid. It's hard to see where that highest band is going to line up, but it could be somewhere anywhere across the northern half of the state. As far as ice goes, a little bit of light icing, but a little bit of ice goes a long way. So some freezing drizzle underneath that snow, mainly to the northeast. A break on Saturday with sunshine, and then snow begins on Sunday to the northwest, spreading across the state, picking up Sunday afternoon and overnight. Now that has been on trend for the past several model runs. This is newer, though. Another little batch moving in maybe late Monday afternoon and evening across the northern half of the state, and that'll be very light. Snow totals still trending the highest to the east. A ½ a foot will be possible here. Oklahoma City, I've been seeing around 2 to 5 inches so far. That still could change, but more significant snow. This afternoon, 60 degrees. Enjoy. Breezy south wind tonight dropping to 17 degrees. A light winter mix switching to snow. By the way, severe weather near Idabel in southeastern Oklahoma overnight tonight. Future wind chills tomorrow morning below zero to the northwest, and the single digits for central Oklahoma. Tomorrow 36 degrees, so windy and cold, but we are dry through Saturday. Snow returns on Sunday. Wind chills 10 to 20 below zero Sunday and Monday. 3 degrees Monday morning, 1 degree Tuesday morning. The winds finally start to drop back. We'll finally climb above freezing Wednesday afternoon. Another system arrives and a reinforcing cold shot of air for the next weekend. Stay tuned for more. Austin.
All right, Emily.